Let's look at how to make the Canapes Chaat recipe, for which we take a couple of crackers and spread some boiled mashed potatoes evenly on it. We then take some chopped onions and then some tomatoes, nicely chopped. We add some chili powder on top of it, and then we add some garam masala to taste. We add some roasted cumin powder, some sprouts to make it healthy. Then we add some pomegranate to kind of give it a sweetish, tangy taste. We add some khatta pani that we generally use for the pani puri. We garnish it with coriander leaves and top it up with some save.